when you're building anything, it get frustrating. You go through obstacles, you go through ups and downs, and it's hard getting that ball to go uphill. But welders, once you get that ball going uphill, once you build your independence slowly, and you get the things you need slowly, and you start to get yourself in that position, takes time. But once you get there, and that ball start going downhill, it's gonna start picking up momentum. You're gonna get bigger and bigger as you go. So don't let nobody knock your hustle from trying or getting started or trying to intimidate you because you didn't start the way that they feel you should. But you started. That's all that matters. So all I want to say to you this morning is keep doing what you're doing. You're almost at the top of the hill. Once that ball start rolling downhill, it's all on you. Hold on.